one of those one leader fall?
No way.
Because right now,
no way,
one leader
no,
has fallen already.
Me, I don't want you to learn me that knowledge. That one I don't agree. The only way, don't concentrating of this leader, because for me, I put this leader to make more question, because what. Yeah, but listen, I put this leader to make more question. Even I explain right now. I say I don't believe this to say. Like, because we said Satan and God, I told you that this Satan is not the one who is in the heaven there. This Satan, me, I talk.
But when I ask you this question, you said right around here. When I say why the two of us can't live in peace, right? Then you said because we cannot share same power. We cannot be in the same level of power, right? Then it's just that's explained.
If you are king, and I come to you, I say now I want to give you give me your title. Me, I want to be the king. Now you be the servant. Can you agree?
No.
So then you get the answer, man.
But it's not the same.
But listen.
That's not the same.
What is the writing? Okay, leave it there.
But that's not the same.
But listen, mister. Let me give you one answer. Let me give you one answer.
Well, it's not the same.
Okay, we say not the same.
Let's say, because if we're talking about peace right here, right?
Yeah.
If I'm coming, let's say you are king and I'm a king, you know what I mean? Then why should you have an issue with me?
Yeah, there's no problem if you are king. But when you are not king, so.
No, but just answer that question.
Yeah, but I said then it's no problem because then we have to discuss.
But for them it's a problem.
No, but you are not king yet.
But for why they
we are not king.
We were here before them.
Yeah, but that was.
That was?
Yeah, that's why they take that from us. But that's why they take that from us.
They know our true potential.
Yeah, exactly.
So now you.
Then why they put if that was like that, if they know you was like a power there, and then maybe that's why I told you maybe this Egypt. The first blacks was there, and maybe all this criticizing this that they manipulate there is this belief like this we don't know. That's why I told you a lot of things. Don't follow a lot of stories the white people they tell. You have to think your own mindset too.
Yeah, but when you're talking about that, you still and coming to the point where now you come in there, but you don't understand that why. Now you start to understand why we can never be in peace, because of doing it is impossible.
Yeah, it's impossible, of course.
So then
it's possible, but it's possible. It's possible.
That's what?
It's possible.
That's what?
That if we should not look for a peace, we should look how we can motivate ourselves. That's what we still fight, not to fight against them. I told you before, you cannot fight against them, but you can fight against each other. How you can be united.
I'm not talking about fighting against them. Why we cannot be in peace.
Yeah, but why always we have to face them? Why we don't face ourselves? Why we don't face why don't we change ourselves attitude?
But I agree.
Yeah, so that's the most important.
This is the reason why I asked you this question, because most of us are people thinking that we all have to come together. We are we should be loving one another as people.
Mister, listen to me now. Listen to me. If you ask me my opinion, my belief, whether you want to hear or you want to accept it, it's okay. Then you can think the way you think. But my opinion, I'm thinking, this is discussion, right? What I believe, the only thing we have to go from thinking what we can read what they have done to all this, that. But we cannot continue just to be there. We have to learn how we can motivate ourselves, how we can change our mindset of life. You have to try to build ourselves, and then, as I told you, this discipline to each other, and then to learn even we learn the way they self how they surviving in this world, how they making the system the system they are using it. We have to learn from them. I tell you before, if even some, like the devil, if you go to the devil also have something which he uses which is good. So don't ignore like everything. Even you say this is the devil, don't ignore everything. Try to learn what did the devil himself use to make himself a better life. And then the good things, you take that one, then you can use with that also to help yourself. Me, this is what I believe. I believe that we have to not like to concentrate everything like against them, but I think we have to make sure that now between us, like a black, we have been solving all the problem what we have, because we black, we have a lot of problem among us.
True.
So me, I think that we have a lot of job which we haven't done yet. Because if you want to, as I told you before, if you want to build a house, don't fight to build the roof before the foundation. You have to build the foundation. The foundation ready, then you come to the roof. But if you are flying up there all the time, you're fighting to build you're talking about the roof, how to build the roof, and then you haven't made the foundation. That you can continue until the end of the life. You will never build a house. This is a philosophical, I'm telling you. That for me, the basic, the most important first step, number one, what we should do first. We have to fight how we can unite among we Africans. We have to fight how we can love each other. We have to fight the benefit and the meaning of love each other. What we have to make this kind of education to educate each other. First.
I understand, you're right.
But if we are not being together first, and you want to fight against the other person what he have done to you, for me, that one is just it's just like talking something in the air, and then the air go with that, and that cannot solve any problem with our problem.
Okay, let me ask you. You're right. You have a point. But then let's come back to this question again. Now, when you're saying that these two can never be in peace with one another, so why these people who know everything, they are so developed, and they are building, they have understand the system, their way of ruling, they are on the top now. Why now they know the way of life, and now, because to say if we're talking about peace, why don't they come and teach us how to?
Why we cannot teach ourselves?
Why can't they teach us?
I ask you also why we cannot teach ourselves.
I understand that, but you just explain that somebody now who knows the truth and have developed and understand the way of life, if he wants this world to be in peace, why can't he teach the rest?
Did they tell you that they want the world to be at peace?
Thank you very much.
I ask you if they said that.
No, but that's why when I'm trying to explain to you, to tell you this, why this world is the devil, Satan. You don't wanna.
No, I don't want to steal now.
You still don't. Yeah,
because for me, because for me that is like you go into this kind of religion things instead of face the reality.
But we're talking here.
Yeah, but I mean, let them with their war. Go to Africa and then do something with your own people.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, exactly. But if you sit in there concentrating, why they do this, why they war, why they fight, why they do this, that to us, this, that, and you don't go, you solve your problem with your own people. That's for me is not the reality, the real think, the way thinking. For me, I think all African, black, right, have to be together again, as I told you, to help each other to solve our own problem. We should not be there and then complaining 24 hours while we are not doing anything. We have to be together, start to love each other, instead talking what people have done us before. I told you all this. Because even we ourselves, we are doing like repeating the same what they did to us when we are doing the same thing to each other. I look at one program in Congo, example. and what was happening, many this kind of civil war, when they have this kind of civil war, it's happening in Burundi and these kind of things. When this war comes, what they do, like civil war, you know, because it's like a group against other group, but who is the same among the African self, right? So they can go, you know, they kill like innocent people. They go rape small girls and these kind of things. And who doing it? That is a black man himself doing, right? But those, they are be paid for do that, right? And then who paid them? Whether it's the white there to make more war there, pay those group to do like that. Like because of like you know, when he like a civil war, you understand? You are doing because they say, yeah, maybe this leader is doing, this country is not good, and then you go, because you cannot go attack the government or leader, you go attack innocent people. Example. So they are be paid to do like that. So that's why I say the African himself should not let nobody come between us and make us fight, because that's what they have done all the time.
True.
And still we accepting, continue to do that. Then that for me, we are not solving our own problem. That's why I say I cannot concentrate to this. I don't even want to listen to this kind of thing. What I want to listen, how we, black, can come together. When we gonna love each other, like one piece, one unite. When we gonna be depending our own self and start work in Africa and make plan and have one system and one way. That one what is more important. When we can be honest to each other, not blackmailing each other, not getting this hatred to each other, not getting this kind of greedy against each other. You know, this competition, you know, this one did me also have to done by myself, everything like selfishness. Me, that's what is my big question to the African people. When we gonna do like what they are asking you? Because me, when I know when we do all that, when we solve all that problem, this is what you talk. I say this one is simple things. This will solve in 1 second. That one I can swear if you want. But this is what you're talking now. This one is, for me, it doesn't help us. What I tell you, this we have to start first to do. When we come together, then because that when we come together is more power we have. If we want to fight it against anything, but we have ourselves to be stronger first.
Then we have to start to love ourselves.
Yeah, but for me, this the things.
That's the whole point, you know.
Yeah, we have to love each other. Of course, you have to do it. But as I told you, we have to educate people, or we need people who can educate us. That this, as I told you, to learn about this discipline.
True.
And then we have this system with everything we do by system, and we organize, and we be together and discuss without fighting, and then that to know that it's not like challenging each other, but to giving opinion to each other, and everybody fight to how to develop our country. Everybody thinking like, this is my country, this is my future country, this is for my children, this is for my grandchildren. When everybody thinking like that, not like only me, only for me, only for me. That family is not is a other tribe. I don't like them either. You understand? Yeah. As long as we are being helped in that, these people they will love us because they know still we are far away to the goal. True. But the time we start to love each other, our own country. If anyone come like to our country, want to I mean like manipulating people, or we want to, you know, disrupt, then we say no. This we have to protect our country. We have to protect our people through say, don't listen anyone who want to mix us. We have to be together, and anyone who want to come there to separate, we say no. It's no door here. It's no place for you here. When we start learning that, because that's they do. I told you before. Yeah, of course. Everybody, even a little child, he fighting for it. This is his country. He fighting for that. If you are black, he see you, he's a black, me, I'm white, this is my country. That is what they believe. And then, you know, if you don't agree with that, then you have a problem, because it's not your country anyhow. But you can say, I have permission here, I have this, that, I can live here how long I want, but I can do anything I want, I free. That one you cannot guarantee.
True.
But in your country, you can guarantee that if we have peace, each other, and we hold each other like a, you know, as a home, it's our home, then we take care of each other. Then you can be proud in your country also, you be free there. But when we not giving freedom to each other, then for me, I don't want to listen like complaining to somebody what they have done to us if we are still doing against each other. So that's why I say we have to solve our own problem first. Through, like as I told you, we have to be united. We have to be same mother and father, brothers and sisters.
True.
And then work for our African continent. And anyone in Africa continent also who be Africa but is not seen as an African person, that one also we have to fight against him.
Of course.
Because you have this kind of people too.
Of course, that's true.
Who call in they are African, but they are in Africa, but like we are not seen as like African.
Sure.
These kind of people, for me, also are against them. Yeah. Because the Africa continent, they have to be as the Africa continent. Not like you be in this side, you be in the other side.
Yeah, that's wrong. Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So this is what I believe. So when we come to that level, then we will know who we are.
Yeah.
Because then, you know, we can be proud of ourselves because it's not wrong with us. It might be most of the time the economical, but the economical also because question of planning, because we are not organized. If we organize, then we have more economy than all over this world, man.
True.
But when everything, if it's not organized, mister, it doesn't go.
It's true.
Everything you have to organize before you go. Look, even you go to job, you plan.
Yeah.
You put your clothes, this working clothes tomorrow, this, yeah, I put working time, my shoe here, jacket, and then when you go up, you have been planning everything. You taking it, you go to the job. You go in time, you do your job, you come back. Everything is planned. So, but this is what I really plan, you know, you have to plan. These people they plan, as I tell you, for 10 years. They start plan from now.
The thing is too, is like, you know, that's because the meaning of unite is like, you know, is for us to come together and think for ourselves, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And that's the problem. That's why, you know, they don't want us to come together, so we can sit together.
Mr. Steele, leave them there. Leave them. As I told you, we know all that, but we should not even think like they don't want. But if we want, we will come. But if we don't want, even they don't want, we still cannot come together. We have to be this village, like you say. Yeah. They don't want. We have to know that they don't want. Yes, but whether we want now, that's the question.
It's true.
If we want, we just do that. What we know is right for us.
Definitely.
Because for them, if we forget it, then as I told you, we started for ourselves. What we know is good for us, and we start doing it. And the only way to do that is to be together. We have to, you know, rid of with this slave chains. And we forget about, like I tell you, these people, they have good, they do that, they hate us, they this, that. I tell you, for me, to be honest, we have to rid of with all that mind thinking. But now, we self, what are we doing to each other?
Yeah,
how we helping each other? Yourself, you see here, I tell you what is the story, what is happening in Africa. Like the people who here is hustling. You hustling your money, lot of money, you taking it there, you think that you come to your country now, you want to develop, and then wanted you to, from nowhere, I'm sorry for the word, but come and take all that you have been traveling for many years, and they burn it.
Which is very painful, really.
Yeah, but it's not only painful, because now, what is the meaning now you going there and develop? What is the meaning now you thinking you going maybe develop there, help another, which is maybe also poor, but your mindset is like, okay, now I bring this, we help each other, and then everyone live good. You cannot have this, but maybe if you force them, they organize in a way, which I mean, maybe they can support each other when this kind of things comes. So Africa also might be some people there, but you can find many. Maybe out of 10, maybe you get one if you are lucky. Otherwise, maybe no one, which you can trust. So that's why if you like bring something, maybe you want to do business or you want to do something, and then because of maybe, I mean, you cannot come here some years and then you go, you say now you stay in there stably because you don't know how this thing. But maybe if we, like as I told you, if we are honest and then we understand how to help each other, then this one when he go, because he maybe is working and he cannot stay there. But then you should give maybe someone you should trust. If you understand the whole thing, as I told you, these kind of things, we have to develop us more. I have to learn more. Then someone also should understand, okay, me, I'm here, I have nothing. This one went to a hustle and then bring it. Let me try to develop this
help.
Yeah. And tomorrow, even I know I will get two. But him also, because that's the meaning why he bring it, True. Him also he will have something tomorrow.
Definitely.
But all these kind of things we don't understand. So you go there and then this one you trust, you think this one can make it develop, then later maybe you don't be here or rest of your life, then you go do something there, you return back. That one he maybe eliminate that. Then you are here now with the empty hands. You understand? Then you are with empty hands and pen in your heart.
Exactly.
Then you wonder now, so that now you say, what is this kind of people now? What is Africa this? Yeah, you say even that here might be better then, because the way they're treating you there and you be treated here now is like you are a confused person even.
Yeah, but then we are the one. Exactly what we're talking about then. These are the things that we should be dealing with. We are the one who have to deal with them. Because we have to deal with our own too when it comes to those kind of things.
But all this is just you to understand is we. That's why I tell you, is we have to solve our problem.
Yeah, exactly.
That's what I tell you. This is all explaining example I'm giving to you.
I understand what you mean. Sometimes that's why most of our people don't really want to go back and start things there, because they feel like between ourselves we're giving we destroying for one another.
Yeah.
But at the same time too,
yeah,
we are the ones who have to discipline ourselves and our own.
I think that's what I'm always trying to tell you.
True.
So because these things for me is that's why
other nations they discipline their own.
Yeah, exactly. So you understand? Yeah. So that's why I told you, for me it's like when it comes religion, I don't want that. I want African to wake up, first we unite and we help each other.
But at the same time, too, if they're using religion to power themselves, to overpower themselves, we should use religion to discipline ourselves too.
Mister, I don't deny. But when you bring in other thing, you bring in other which will get making a confusion. You understand? Me, I tell you these good things. Every person, if you believe me again, every person is between you and your God.
True.
As long as you know, as I tell you, you pray, you do your prayer, you believe your God, and you're doing good, you're doing right. I think that is enough for you.
True.
This is what I believe. Then it's nothing to fight. But now, how we can unite, how we can love each other, how we can stop blackmailing each other. When we gonna stop, fooling each other, and then this greediness, selfishness. You understand? This wickedness against each other. You see someone have something which you don't have now, instead even to ask, give me some, or maybe to ask how you get it. Maybe me also, you help me the way. You don't do that. Now you hate this one, you will see how you're going to eliminate this person, or you're going to see how you can destroy this person's business or destroy the person himself.
True.
You have to, all these kind of things, you have to stop thinking this way. All these kind of things is not the meaning loving each other. If you love each other, I have to have my heart. If I see you have, it's like my own brother have. But not like I want to take your things, why I call you a brother. But if you need some help to develop, I will try, beg my God, like me also, God help me, so I help you this to develop until yourself, you see, that one, yes, this one have been helping me. And I know also, you also, if you are thinking, now you bring in the religion, you're thinking with your own God. As I told you, don't manipulate, don't deal, don't fool people. Then you also, you should not fool me, because now I help you to develop, to lift you up. then you also, it's not to leave me there and then you say, okay, now you help me, I dig, now you leave me there. All these kind of things is things we have to learn to think about. Because that's why I say this one is like a give and take. You know, I help you, then you help me. Then me also, I help other person.
When we're talking about even love, you know, the principle of love is discipline. You know what I mean?
So that's I using that word all the time, right? Yeah. Isn't it?
But you know, the problem is that people think that love is just, you know, caring and you know, just caring and just, you know, giving you stuff and things like that. That's very that kind of love is just that's a love that is spoiling you as an individual. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's right.
But the real love itself, you know what I mean, is a discipline. You know what I mean? For
that's
you to be upright as an individual, as a human being yourself, so you can have respect for other people.
Yeah. That's
maybe, I understand, I don't know, maybe if parents are teaching that to their children, but that's the reality anyway.
Yeah. Yeah, me, I think we are almost closer to each other, right?
Yeah, it was really hot topic today.
Yeah, but it's good because these the things, as we say, we give our opinions. True. Then, I mean, I can also be so, but I know that is giving a lot of waking other people's mind too. Yeah. And maybe they have the same thinking or the same opinion. But what I believe is that I mean this, you know, we can learn more about this, and we can develop more about also discussing with this, and then anyone also, I know people can have more of mindset of thinking and more I mean opinions, and then as I told you, I ended. Then after you can cover everything, but what I can say again, we have to start to solve our own problem, we African. So, and then we have to try to develop our own country, and we have to, as we say, to unite. So, and then, you know, we learn the system of life, how we can organize ourselves and discipline, and then and then we have to stop like this depending on other people, Europe or what.
Not only that too, we have to learn to control more. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because when we start to control more, then we start to really be in that, understand how it feels. You know what I mean? To be to own our own.
Yeah. Yeah. Then in that one we agree. So if you had anything to say, otherwise I think we.
Yeah, I think we're cool with that. You know what I'm saying? I just want to say, as you people heard what we about here, you know what I mean? So just try to, like, you know what I mean, wish you all to support us and try to just tune in and try to give us some kind of subscription, you understand, to help us build this shit, you understand it. So that was a really hot topic today, but
but it's good at the same time.
At the end of the day, it's education also.
Yeah. So and because I mean, that's what I used to say. You know, this our program is not like you know, be like a joking. This is a serious talk and then reality. So, and you know, sometimes I mean talk reality. Sometimes also it's a hard thing, but that's the way we have to do it.
True.
Yeah, and then we thank for everybody, the audience, and then. Yeah, we end here with this program, and then peace and love for everybody, and then welcome for subscribe if try to do it, because you know, this program as you know, this is for everybody, for all, and we always wish peace and love for all over this world, and then for we human.
True.
And then again we Africans, so. As we say again, we have to try to wake up and then start loving each other, helping each other, and work today for our, like, you know, children, grandchildren, for the future, and so on. And then we thank for everybody. Peace and love. You want to say anything more?
No, we're cool.
All right, so then we say thanks for today.
Cool.
Bismillah.